Hello students, today I want to welcome you to another video for PSC, and in today's lesson we're going to solve another problem from the 2019 PSC, and this one has to do with order of operation to start with. But remember, you can subscribe for quick access to all the videos and lessons that will be posted. The problem says 8 times 5 minus 20 divided by 4 plus 6. So in the order of operation, first we look for bracket. If there is no bracket, then we go to exponent, no exponent. Remember, then we go to multiplication and division. And when it comes to multiplication and division, whichever one comes first, that's what you're going to solve. And in this case, we'll always multiply and divide before addition and subtraction, unless addition and subtraction is in the bracket. But remember, for multiplication and division, solve which one comes first. And here we have multiplication that comes first. So 8 times 5 is 40 minus, bring down everything else, 20 divided by 4 plus 6. So we go step by step. Then after multiplication, you'll always divide before you add or subtract. The only way you will add and subtract before division or multiplication is that if addition and subtraction is in bracket, but they are not in bracket, so we're going to divide. Then 4 could go into 20, 5, bring down my plus 6, and bring down my minus 40. Now the rule tells us when it comes to subtraction and addition, just work which one comes first. And in this sense, subtraction is before addition, so we're going to subtract. 40 minus 5 is 35. Bring down my plus 6, and when I add 35 plus 6, it gives me 41 as my answer. So again, my answer is 41. How did we get at 41? Remember, we work with order of operation. When it comes to multiplication and division, work which one comes first, since there is no bracket or exponent. So we're going to multiply 8 times 5, we get 40. Bring down everything else. We'll always divide before subtraction and addition because they are not in bracket. So 4 into 25, bring down my minus 40, bring down my plus 6. Then subtraction and addition, work which one comes first. And in this sense, subtraction comes first. 40 minus 5 is 35 plus 6 that we bring down, which is equal to 41 as the answer. With no further delay, let's go into the next problem, and it's addition and division of fraction. But you cannot add and divide fraction at the same time, so we're going to work these ones first. So the first thing we're going to do is to convert this mixed number to improper fraction. And by doing that, so 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10 over your same denominator 3, then plus the 5 over 6. And to continue the problem, we want to work this fraction problem. As you can see, it starts with addition of fraction and division of fraction, so we cannot add and divide fraction at the same time. So what we're going to do, we're going to work them step by step, and the answer that we get from this first part of the fraction, we're going to divide it by 5 over 3. And now we want to find the LCM of 3 and 6. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. And as you can see there, the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. After I find my LCM, I ask myself 3 times what gives me 6? It's times 2. So I carry up my times 2. So 6 times what gives me 6? Times 1. So I carry up my times 1. And so you can see both of my denominator is 6. And now I'm going to multiply 10 times 2, 20, plus 5 times 1, which is 5. Now I'm going to add 20 plus 5, which is equals to 25 over 6. So the answer that I got for the first part of the fraction, which is the addition part, is 25 over 6. Now, to continue the problem, it's 25 over 6 divided by 5 over 3. So now we're working this part. And now when it comes to fraction, you don't multiply fractions. So what I'm going to do is to bring my 25 over 6 My division sign changed to multiplication always. We do reciprocal, so instead of 5 over 3, we convert it to 3 over 5. Then we'll cross multiply. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 25, 5. Then we're going to multiply. 5 times 1, 5. Over 2 times 1, 2. If you can see, we got an improper fraction as our answer. But now we want to convert this back to mixed number. So how many times 2 could go into 5? 2 times, because 2 times 2, 4, with 1 remainder over 2. So the answer is 2 and 1 over 2. And by converting improper fraction to mixed number, so it's 2.5. That's what I got as the answer, and the problem is solved. Thanks so much for tuning in. Look forward for many more videos and lessons coming soon. Remember, you can subscribe for quick access to all the videos and the lessons that will be posted.